I'm going to make something very interesting for you. I'm going to make our very own Ganesha for Ganesh Chaturthi. I'm going to make Ganesha with turmeric. Let's get started. Take turmeric powder, all-purpose flour and powdered sugar. Add raw milk slowly. Knead it until it becomes like a chapati dough. Close it with the lid and rest it for 15 minutes. This big one is Ganesha's abdomen. This is for Ganesha's face and this is for the Ganesha's base. These two are for the Ganesha's legs and these two are for Ganesha's hand. This is the trunk and these two are ears. Take the medium sized ball for the base and press it. I'm going to take the big ball for the Ganesha's abdomen. Press the abdomen slightly for the shape. Slightly apply water at the back and seal it. Take the 4 small balls for the hands and legs and make it into sticks. Give a slight press in the stick so that it looks like a feet. Place the legs near the abdomen. Place the hands above the abdomen and seal it with water. Place one small ball in the hand. Now place the head and seal it at the back. Take the small ball and roll it for the trunk. Now fix it in the head. Seal it with water. Take the small ball and press it for the ears. I am placing the ears in the head and sealing it with water. I am placing 2 pepper balls for the eyes. I am folding a paper and marking Ganesha's face and trunk. I am taking a toothpick and cutting it for Ganesha's tusk. Now I am making the crown for Ganesha. I am placing a sacred thread for Ganesha. I am taking an acrylic paint and drawing the pattern. For red dot, I am taking red acrylic paint. Now our Ganesha is ready. Now we need to make the Mushikam for Ganesha. These balls are for laddu and the base. I am decorating the base with beetle leaves. Our dear Ganesha is ready. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guruve Deva Sarvakayeshu Sarvada. Try this at your home. See you the next episode.